Okay, so then now is the second stage. All our five lecturers is going to give their own personal presentation, very short presentation, just to show their specialty. I think first one will be Tianjun, yeah?
So
Professor Wang.
Dr. Tang first one.
My turn. I just talk in a few minutes. The topic is the metabolic syndrome and its TCM food therapy.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, like we mentioned, if metabolic syndrome, the patient often need to take many tablets, hypertension, which to reduce blood pressure, and statin, and for cholesterol. These are anti-diabetic drugs, metformin, something, and aspirin, and omeprazole, and vitamin, whatever. Okay, many tablets they need to take it every day, so they can't stop, maybe whole life. So each tablet causes side effect, and that the accumulation of the multiple side effects causes a lot of trouble. Goqi 菊花茶, goqi berry is a Chinese herbs. We can say it is a herbs, but actually it's just like a food supplement. You see this is in the red color, that is goji berry. And juhua is this yellow flower called juhua. We put goji 10 gram, add 500 milliliter water, boil 2 minutes, and add juhua 10 gram or green tea 5 gram, covered or soaked for 30 minutes, drinking once or twice daily. Once or twice, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Just like drinking Chinese tea, just like you make a cup of Chinese tea. So simple and easy. Next one. Goqi Juhua Cha. The function of this tea is tonify the liver and the kidney, nourishing the blood and moistening the yin, soothing the liver and detoxificating, and benefit vision. Goji berry has the function of benefit the vision because it tonifies the liver and the kidney. In Chinese medicine, we believe eyes is the out opening of the liver. So if it benefits the liver, also benefit the eyes, so benefit the vision. So that is important function of Goqi Juhua Cha. And in the clinic, it can treat in many conditions. So clinic application is hypertension, of course, is the early stage of hypertension. If the blood pressure is too high, it's very high, we have to use the Western medicine, to be honest. We can't say, okay, you don't need to take Western medicine, only take this. No, that is wrong. Yeah. But early stage, actually quite a lot of people, the blood pressure just around borderline. It's not very high. The low pressure is 95 or 90, 95, and high pressure maybe 140, 100, around 140. So it's not very high. We don't need to use the hypertension. We just use the Goqi Juhua Cha. It's okay. And also atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is so common. Many people after the age of over 60, more or less, have some atherosclerosis. It is a risk factor of the coronary heart disease. For this Goqi Juhua Cha, this tea can prevent atherosclerosis. And the third one, just the coronary heart disease. This coronary heart disease can have many different types, but this is a mild type, just have angina, or some have often have chest pain or tightness chest. If the people already have heart failure, it's not suitable. Yeah, we only or myocardial infarction, yeah, also not suitable. Only treating the early stage of coronary heart disease at the angina. The third is diabetic. Usually it's type 2 diabetes. Type 1, maybe they need insulin, but type 2 diabetes also, its sugar level is not very high. we don't always need metformin, some chemical tablets. So枸杞菊花茶, this tea can help to reduce the blood sugar. And hyperlipidemia means cholesterol high. So also we can use this one to reduce cholesterol. And dry eyes and blurred vision. So nowadays, many people use computer or mobile phone or use to see the screen too often. So many have some vision problem and dry eyes. So if no matter what kind of age, even young person, yeah, if you see the screen many hours, have dry eyes, try this. 枸杞菊花茶. Next food therapy formula is 玉米须汤. 玉米须 means corn sick, like this. And how to prepare? There are 3 different ways. Number 1 is just use 玉米须 washed and soaked with the boiled water, and then soaked 5 minutes, and then you can drink in the tea directly. Second way is wash the 玉米须 and boil it for 5 minutes. First one is more simple one, just soaked with the boiled water. You don't need to boil the 玉米须. The second one, you need to spend 5 minutes to boil the 玉米须 with the water. And the third one is boil the corn with 玉米须 together, eating the corn and drinking the soup. So that is, you get a fresh 玉米须. 玉米须. And 玉米须, you can get it in any Chinese herbal medicine shop, or if that is dry one, it's not fresh one. Dry 玉米须, it's the same. If in the summer you can get some fresh 玉米须, that will be better. What is the function of 玉米须 corn sick? Function is reduce blood sugar, promoting the urination and subset jaundice, reduce blood pressure, and increase immune function and anti-cancer. Inhibit cancers. It's good for metabolic syndrome if they have blood pressure a little high and blood sugar high and high cholesterol. So you should help. Especially we put at the top, especially for reduced blood sugar. This has been approved by many scientific research. About 3 years ago, I delivered a lecture in the Argentina, Buenos Aires, Argentina, just talking this topic in the international conference, international Chinese medicine conference. So I can talk in this for half an hour. Yeah. Next is 菊槐茶. 菊 mean 菊花, 槐 mean 槐花. 花 in Chinese means flower. 2 kinds of flower. 菊花 3 grams, 槐花 3 grams. Green tea 3 grams. Each ingredients 3 grams. Put them together in the cup and add boiled water, soaked for 5 minutes. Drinking the tea once or twice a day. So simple and easy, right? Green tea. If you don't have green tea, you have some other tea, it's fine, but green tea is better. So just 菊花 and 槐花. 菊槐茶, the clinical application is hypertension. 菊花 with 枸杞 berry, that is 枸杞菊花茶. At the beginning, the first formula is 枸杞菊花茶, the same things. But if not with 枸杞 berry, 菊花 with the 槐花, also good, suitable for hypertension. Except hypertension, also for headache and dizziness. Actually, dizziness and headache is a common symptoms of hypertension. Some people, some hypertension patients with the symptoms, headache or dizzy. Some maybe no symptoms, but only blood pressure high. No matter which condition, 菊槐茶 is a good choice. I strongly recommend use 菊花 and huayhua, only 2 flowers. Put them in the cup and add some green tea, add boiled water. So you can, it can benefit your blood pressure. So maybe you don't need hypertension. You don't need to, you can avoid these side effects. I introduced 3 herbal formula, which is not, you don't need to like to boil the herb decoction. Some people, they don't like to take Chinese herbal decoction because it tastes not nice. It's a little bitter taste. This food therapy, the taste is nice, good taste. Taste not very horrible. Yeah, good taste, and also simple and easy. So for metabolic syndrome, if you take the Western tablets, you need to take it every day. And if you take the herb decoction, also very difficult for any people to take it every day. But every day you need to drink a cup of tea, just like you drink a cup of coffee. Use these 3 formulas to replace your coffee, and you can make your sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure under control. Remember, only suitable for mild case. If severe case, you still need to take the Western medicine. But if you take either these food therapy, you can reduce the doses of the Western medicine. If you reduce the doses, of course, the side effects also reduced. If, for example, before you need 2 tablets to control your blood pressure, but after you take this herb tea, you only need 1 tablet. So the side effects is significantly reduced, or even no side effect happen. Okay, that's what I need to comment.